In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Grammarly keyboard on your phone for free. Begin by going to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android devices on your phone and search for Grammarly keyboard and download the app. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to install and set up the Grammarly keyboard on your device. After the installation process is complete, you'll need to enable the Grammarly keyboard on your device settings. Go to your device's settings, then navigate to General or Accessibility settings. Select Keyboards or Virtual Keyboards, then choose Grammarly keyboard from the list of available keyboards, and follow the prompts to enable it. When typing on your phone, you can switch to the Grammarly keyboard by tapping on the keyboard icon in your device's keyboard selector. This icon typically looks like a small keyboard or a globe icon, depending on your device and settings. Select Grammarly keyboard from the list of available ones. And once you've switched the Grammarly keyboard, you can start typing. Grammarly will automatically check your spelling, grammar, and punctuation as you type. If Grammarly detects any errors, it will underline them in red or provide suggestions for corrections. Tap on the underlined words to see Grammarly suggestions and make corrections as needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.